Hello. Okay, so I'm here in my room. I'm a little sick. I'm getting ready to go celebrate my grandpa's birthday. I hope all you guys are doing good. I just wanted to thank you guys for all the feedback that you guys been giving us. I was talking to Diana and we are going to do a video of burping, like of all burping, so make sure to look out for that. I can't wait. We don't live together, so it's kind of hard to make videos like every week. Anyways, keep on commenting, subscribe more. Thank you guys so much again. Bye.